If you're replacing your roof, you may hear your contractor mention something called ice and water shield. Most homeowners don't know what it is, where it goes, or whether they actually need it, but this layer plays a major role in protecting your roof from leaks in some of its most vulnerable areas. Before your roofing project starts, it's important to understand what ice and water shield does and why it matters. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today I'll explain what ice and water shield is, where it's installed, and why it's a critical part of your roofing system. Let's get into it. What is ice and water shield? Ice and water shield is a self-adhering, impermeable, waterproof roofing membrane. It's installed directly on top of your roof decking and underneath the roofing materials. Unlike regular underlayment, it seals around the nails, creating a watertight barrier. Its main purpose is to protect against water intrusion caused by ice dams, wind-driven rain, and roof penetrations. Why is ice and water shield important? It provides a waterproof layer in areas most prone to roof leaks. It helps prevent water from backing up under shingles. It protects roof decking from moisture damage and rot. It adds an extra layer of protection during severe weather. It reduces the risk of costly repairs over time. Even the best shingles can fail under extreme conditions. Ice and water shields acts as backup protection when that happens. Where is ice and water shield installed? Ice and water shield is not installed over the entire roof in most cases. Instead, it's placed in high-risk areas, including along the eaves of the roof, in valleys where two roof slopes meet, around chimneys, skylights, and roof penetrations, near walls and transitions where leaks commonly occur. These are the areas where water is most likely to work its way under the shingles. Is ice and water shield required? In many regions, building codes require ice and water shield in specific areas. Even when it's not required, reputable roofing contractors still recommend it for added protection. According to best practices outlined by Bill Ragan Roofing Company, using ice and water shield is a smart investment in roof longevity and performance. How is ice and water shield different from regular underlayment? Ice and water shield is a fully waterproof, impermeable barrier, while standard underlayment is just water resistant. It self-seals around fasteners, preventing leaks at the nail penetrations. It's thicker and more durable than traditional underlayment. Underlayment protects the entire roof. Ice and water shield protects the most vulnerable areas. Both are important, but they serve different roles within the roofing system. What homeowners should know before installation. Ice and water shield should be installed correctly and in the right location. Too little leaves your roofs vulnerable. Too much can create ventilation and moisture issues. Proper installation is just as important as the material itself. This is why choosing an experienced contractor who installs complete roof systems, not shortcuts, matters. Summary of the key points. Ice and water shield is a self-adhering, non-permeable, waterproof membrane. It protects high-risk areas of your roof from leaks. It's commonly installed at eaves, valleys, and penetrations. It plays a major role in preventing long-term water damage. Understanding ice and water shield helps you know what's protecting your home beneath the shingles and why it's such an important part of a properly installed roofing system. If you want to learn more about how roofing systems work and what to expect during a roofing replacement, check out our next video on starter shingles. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. I'll see you on the next one.